Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we will see how to cook red Thai curry. Easy to make, quick gravy recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. First, let's make red Thai curry paste. For that, I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 onion roughly chopped, 1 inch of galangal, a stalk of lemongrass, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger and 5 red chilies. Add little water, grind into a fine paste. This is the ground paste. It should be nice and smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. This is boneless chicken, 400 grams. Cut into small pieces so that it will cook faster. Here I am adding 15 baby eggplants. You can use regular eggplants as well. Saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Now push the chicken pieces and the eggplants to one side. Add red Thai paste. Saute this well for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add some salt. Mix well. Add 1 orange capsicum, 2 red chilies, fresh one, and few kaffir lime leaves. Give it a good mix. Now our veggies and chicken are half done. Let's add some water. I'm using mixie jar water in which I ground the paste. Mix everything well together. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Chicken and veggies are well done. Add 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Mix well. Turn off the flame after a minute. Our delicious and fragrant red Thai curry is ready to be served hot. Try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.